Latest creation is the coffee table. Have $100 worth of epoxy in there. Those are cams. That's a spark plug in the corner there with the head spring. The V I put in there because of Victory. Indian motorcycles, well, Polaris used to build Victory motorcycles, so that's why I threw the Victory in there, or the V for Victory. That's a timing chain and oil pump rings. Kind of tough to see with all the reflections. You really can't tell, but this is all cut out. It's all see-through, all through the headdress and the eye. And those are old shelf supports. And I have established in 1901 right here. In the EST, there's a little hole right there that I blew with the torch. Actually, I think I drilled that one out.